At jail, Christopher was saying some stuff. Well, I wish you weren't even here. Well, I hate you too. I want to get out of here. He busted out of jail. He beat his friend up, Christopher. And then he was dead. Bum, bum, bum. But if you want to see more of this, see? And this, well, this is my little version of, hey dude. Hey dude. Oh, what are you doing today? Nothing. Just hanging out. Well, what are you gonna do today? Tomorrow's, Mother's Day. Ah, I forgot. I need to get my mom something. Bum, bum, bum. Join us next time for the next chapter of Dexter. Wait. Bender 1747 on the Brick Death.